Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how can you change your TikTok profile age. So guys, if your TikTok profile is not correct and your TikTok profile age is wrong, but how can you change your TikTok profile age? In this tutorial I am gonna show you that step by step. So let's get started our video. And guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please like and subscribe my channel. So guys, first of all, you need to tap on this edit profile option. There you can see. If you go your profile, then you can get a option edit profile. So just tap it. And then guys, every option is here, but there have no option for changing your TikTok profile age. So what should you do? And it's pretty easy and simple tricks you need to use it for changing your TikTok profile age. So let's back and now tap on the three dot on the top right corner, and then you need to scroll down, and after that there have a option log out. So just tap on log out. Log out, you need to at first you need to log out your TikTok profile. Okay, after that what should you do? You need to sign out again your TikTok profile. So tap on the top option. You need to tap use phone or email, and then firstly you get a option for changing your birthday. So if your previous TikTok profile age is wrong, you need to correct now. You need to use correct TikTok profile age. Here you need to correct profile TikTok profile birthday. So select correctly your birthday, then tap on next, and after next you need to confirm your previous TikTok profile. You open your email or phone which one you use for create your previous TikTok account. If you use phone number, so you need to use phone number. If you use email, you need to use email, and like that go to your phone and you need to use this phone number which phone number you use in previous TikTok account. So just type on your phone number here, and after that you get a option for verify. You get a verification code. So you just type your verification code here, then you get your previous TikTok account, and this account also change your TikTok profile birthday. So guys, in this way you can change your TikTok profile birthday very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.